ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Blue World City, another milestone achieving event. And as you already know, okay, Blue World City is known as achieving impossible, and because of their ambitious and dedicated management and team from top to bottom. So welcome all. I'm here to announce another milestone, and not just announcing that, I'm also here to give you an initial brief of that concept. We are here to announce Blue World City waterfront, inshallah. So before proceeding further, I'm just giving you a bit of a glimpse that what Blue World City already announced and it's in process of achieving. Some of the main milestones already achieved, and we are here to begin further. So starting up with, this is the initial phase, what we announced and what we are achieving, and we already achieved number of the tags as written on the right. So Pakistan first purpose-built tourist destination with having a number of world trademarks from Burj Al Arab to Pakistan first water sports park to original scale blue mosque, and Pakistan's first water sports parks consist of around 21 hottest ride as of Wild Wadi and Atlantis, and we are also replicating the Blue World Burj Al Arab on around 427 feet height. So move करें जी आगे. This is the overseas side, and we are also having around 17 major amenities in the overseas segment, from Champs-Élysées Club to Fashion Avenue to lakefront condominiums too. And the continuity begins with that waterfront. Now the main core, what we are here to announce, that's so. The main core, after having a basic glimpse, so that you all already know number of things regarding Blue World City major amenities, what we already in process of doing. So waterfront, ये basically core है क्या? So this is the hardcore element of that continuity of the walk as of Jumeirah. So this is the hardcore community we are developing, not just for the communal setup and settlement. World City major amenities, what we already in process of doing. So waterfront, ये basically core है क्या? So this is the hardcore element of that continuity of the walk as of Jumeirah. So this is the hardcore community we are developing, not just for the communal setup and settlement. ये बेसिकली एमलगम होगा बिजनेस सेगमेंट की हब का, बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज का, वाटरफ्रंट कंडोमिनियम्स का, रिक्रिएशनल हब का एंड लिविंग एनवायरनमेंट का, बेसिक एमिनिटीज एंड फैसिलिटेशन फॉर द लिविंग एलिमेंट और इनहेबिट जो इंसान और खानदान जो करते हैं, ये एमलगम होगा इन तमाम तर चीजों का. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल अदर segments what we are having in general block and overseas. So what are those? जी बड़ा गौरतलब अमर है इस phase में जी. This is a preliminary and initial sketch to disclose in this event जी. So it's going to be the waterfront from major all sides, specifically these three sides. It's a continuity of that overseas thing by the name of the walk. This is the same sort of the replicate squeezed version of the Jumeirah the walk sort of element. So from Central Lake to iconic London Eye, these are the major feature what we are announcing over up. Pointer if you have. अच्छा नहीं. So थोड़ा सा पीछे करते हैं. एक बार पीछे करने just for basic. So waterfront condominium apartments, floating restaurant, water pavilion जी. So another major element is outdoor cinema, considering the post-COVID era जी. So another water outdoor theater and cinema, water sports activity from jet skiing to floating parasailing to communal segments, which is the core of the waterfront as well. Every residential zone, which we set the few modules by the management that from
6 marla, 12 marla and 18 marla. So these all are somehow facing the waterfronts in different form. If you are directly facing the waterfront, if you are connecting with that same channel, so what we are perceiving and conceptualizing. So other amenities which is basic and prime amenities for the residential and communal hub, from schools to hospital, are the core element for this, along with the sports and recreational activities, from fishing pier to waterfalls to floating mosque. आगे चले, basically it's already happening in number of the part of the world's residential zone, which we set the few modules by the management that from 6 marla, 12 marla and 18 marla. So these all are somehow facing the waterfronts in different form. If you are directly facing the waterfront, if you are connecting with that same channel, so what we are perceiving and conceptualizing. So other amenities which is basic and prime amenities for the residential and communal hub, from schools to hospital, are the core element for this, along with the sports and recreational activities, from fishing pier to waterfalls to floating mosque. आगे चले, basically it's already happening in number of the part of the world, right from the Texas and Austin, and these are the prime major hub which is known for their waterfront settlements. So the core idea generated from those, that the mixture and eclectic feature of urban planning of Jumeirah and Austin Austin and downtown Austin and Texas. So back करें. This is the basically view for the water condominium and the waterfront recreational activity. आगे करते जाएं. So Jumeirah, this is the basically prime segment what we are catering in form of the waterfront high-rise condominiums and the smaller settlements in terms of smaller villa modules. आगे चलें. This is the core segment what we are having over here, and that's the prime feature, and that's the core central segment where we drive our idea of the concept as seen in the master plan. London Eye, that's already implemented in the number of part of the world. आगे चलें. This is the basic feature and prime feature what we already replicating, that our flagship is the replicating number of landmarks of the world under one zone. So these are the different folies and recreational segments under the different corners of waterfront, as you already seen in the existing Jumeirah the lake segment. आगे चलें. So these are the central floating areas, water sports activity, and which drive from the central lake towards the main walking areas. आगे चलें. Waterfront villas, ये मॉड्यूल्स का उनका हिस्सा है. ये इनमें शैलेस भी मौजूद होंगे, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी के साथ रिजॉर्ट सेगमेंट्स होंगे, क्लब हाउसेस होंगे, और उसके साथ फिर private individual villas with the tier effect, as what we have already in Blue World City, the beautiful train and the beautiful landscape already. And this is water sports activity के साथ resort segments होंगे, club houses होंगे, और उसके साथ फिर private individual villas with the tier effect, as what we have already in Blue World City, the beautiful train and the beautiful landscape already. And this is all will exist on the original and the natural ongoing floating water, what we are already in the topographical terrain of Blue World City site. आगे चलें. So these are the जरा थोड़ा सा जरा एक फेज पे floating waterfront villas. So ये module 2 है. After that villas, ये 6, 8, 6, 12 and 18 मरला विला सेगमेंट हैं, जो उसी सेंट्रल जोन से फिर ड्राइव करेंगे और बेसिकली कन्वर्जिंग एंड डाइवर्जिंग एंगल्स पे डिफाइन होंगे ये विलास टू द वाटर फ्रंट. एज यू आर सीन इन द बैक, एज यू आर ऑलरेडी सीन इन दिस स्लाइस कट सेंट्रल लेक जोन. से आगे चलें. This is the floating restaurant what we are planning to have on 2 or 3 spots of the ongoing floating water, the walk areas. आगे चलें. Continue सब चलाते हैं. Waterfront pavilion जी और club house for different sports and for different spots for tourism and resort staying areas. So Hong Kong International Hospital replica, which already falls under Champs-Élysées Street, is another prime element. आगे चलें जी. So which will facilitate the healthcare segment of living. जी. आगे जी. International School, which is the core element of the thing. Basic back dancing fountain. That idea derives from the central lake, the dancing fountain, which continues to the channel, man-made lake, and which enters into the natural floating water of the river. And the mechanism what we are already adopting, and we are already into it in terms of a technical hydraulic reports and number of other segments, that's how we're going to incorporate that natural water into our main functionality of central plan. आगे चलेंगे.